summer, happy winters, happy 2021, which is almost over. Alright, I'm so excited about today's video because I'm trying out a bunch of new products that I recently got. And trying out new makeup just makes me so happy. I just get so excited like a child. I have stepped out few times last week and I don't know how I stopped myself from using those new products because I wanted to try all these products for the first time in front of the camera in this video. So it's like, let's film this video first and then I'll start using them. Today we have used them in this video and this is the look that we have created. How beautiful this looks. I'm totally crashing on this look. This is such a winter appropriate look. Of course, you can just wear it anytime and anywhere you want. Also, if you have come here for the first time, then hi, I'm Kalpana. If you enjoy watching me, then make sure you hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel yet. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I've already done my skincare and you can see how glowing and shining my skin is looking right now because of the facial oil that I've literally slapped on my face so much. So next I'll prime my skin with this primer from Maybelline. It is their dewy and smooth primer for normal to dry skin. My skin is feeling so hydrated and so juicy, so I just want to keep my skin that way, and this primer is so dewy and so lightweight on the skin. So I'm just using this. I just took shower 1 hour ago and then I did my complete skincare routine, but just before filming this video I put some more facial oil so that my skin is even more hydrated, very glowing and prepped. I have a new foundation to try out today. If you have already watched my Nykaa Pink Friday haul video that I posted recently, then you would know what it is, and in case you have not watched it yet, I will link it here. Just click on this and watch this video after you finish this one. For foundation, I have this mini Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour Hydra foundation. So it generally comes in big bottle. I don't know, it must be 30 ml or something, and this is just 10 ml. Yeah, this is just 10 ml and I have not tried it yet. Like all the products that I bought recently, I have not touched them. I was just waiting to try this on camera for the first time. Also, I am in the shade 2.22 light medium. I really don't know if this shade will match me or not because I got this online. I'm just hoping it does, because I really want to use this foundation. So yeah, I would be very disappointed if this shade doesn't match me. Now I've just started spreading my foundation first with the finger. That way blending the foundation becomes easier. I think this is a good match for my skin tone. Let's just blend this properly and then we will see. I have applied very little amount of it, so I'm just going to build this foundation up. I have a lot of foundation that I took earlier, so I'm just going to dip my sponge into it and start building this up. Okay, so I've applied all the foundation that I took out, and I must say this foundation has blended in my skin so well. It doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look heavy, it is so lightweight. And if you're regular on my channel, then you would know that I love my base products, especially my foundation, to be very lightweight so that it just looks very natural and breathable and you just don't feel like there's a lot more on your face. So this foundation is literally how I like my foundations to be. It is very lightweight and it just blended in seconds. And I do have some acne marks on this side and this foundation has covered it pretty well. And even if I don't apply concealer on the marks, it will still be okay because they are hardly visible. So this foundation gives you coverage but without being very heavy or very cakey, and it is dewy, it is not matte, so that's like a plus point for me because I do love my foundations to be very dewy and lightweight. Feel something that feels so natural and easy to use. So yeah, I really like this foundation. Now I finally have a new concealer. It is from NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. The shade is CW04 Beige, and yeah, let's see if this matches my skin tone. Ouch. Seems to be a nice concealer. Let me just set my concealer with the loose powder before it starts creasing, and then we will talk more about this concealer. I really like this concealer, and this is my first base product from NYX, and I like this concealer a lot. I mean, it covered my acne, whatever were visible after the foundation, so well, and it has also covered my pigmentation around my eyes very well, and it did not feel very heavy. It was very easy to blend. Also, I observed one more thing. While I was applying concealer, I was also, talking on the camera, and I was also replying to some text. So I had concealer for quite some time on my face, and it did not dry out, and it was still very easy to blend. So yeah, I really like this concealer, and even the shade was a good match. So I am just going ahead and filling my brows. I don't have any new product, so I'm just using my usual Miss Claire cake to fill my eyebrows. Now to bronze up my face, I have this Kiko Milano bronzer. It is their Flawless Fusion Bronzer Powder in the shade 06. Yeah, there is no name of this shade on the packaging, but I clearly remember. They do have like names of each shade, because one shade was Biscuit. This was, I think, Sienna, if I'm not wrong. If I get the name of this shade, I will mention on the screen or in the description box. A lot of products I have bought just because they had amazing packaging, and this is one of them. Also because I have not explored a lot of bronzer. I keep using my regular ones, and I seriously wanted to try something new. So I wanted either this one or the Physician Formula Wala bronzer, but that one was out of stock, so I finally decided to pick this up, and this feels so soft. I mean, it is buttery soft. Oh my god. I'm using this Pro Arte PF07. This is the brush that I use for contour bronzing. I don't do contouring much, so bronzing is what I do with this brush. Whenever you are trying some new product for the first time, just make sure you are taking the product in small quantity, because like I took a lot of product on my brush right now, and it could seriously ruin your makeup a lot of times. It didn't for me because it was blendable, but you never know how a product is. This is beautiful blush, I'm telling you. This just blending like magic, and this is showing up on my skin so well. I'm just loving this bronzer right now on my face. It just feels so luxurious, and it's blending like butter. And this shade, oh my god, I'm loving this. I have so much bronzer on my face, and I'm just feeling like putting more because it's just feeling so amazing. And that is why I've applied too much on my forehead. Too much excitement is also bad, huh? And also it comes with this cute mirror. You don't need a mirror separately, because a lot of my makeup products, they do not come with a mirror. So I have to use a separate mirror, which I don't like. I'm going to use this beautiful blush from Flower Beauty. Now this is also my first product from Flower Beauty. I have not used any product from this brand, but there are so many that I have been hearing about and I want to try. But anyway, this is their Flower Pots powder brush. blush in the shade Sweet Pea, and it looks amazing, yeah. What a color of the blush. So where's my brush? It's super pigmented. I just took a little bit of this and see how popping this blush looks. Impressive. This blush is very pigmented and it just blended so beautifully, and it is giving very rich look and it's not feeling powdery. A lot of powder products, they just feel very powdery and it's not like most comfortable look or feeling to the face. I mean, even if a blush is not pigmented, I can still work with it because I can just swirl in and take more product if I want the blush to show up on my cheeks, but I want it to be super smooth and non-powdery. And this blush looks so beautiful on my cheeks, and it's literally not shining, but it's like very buttery, and it just blended in my skin beautifully, and it's feeling so natural. It isn't feeling like I've applied something. Yeah, और बात करते करते मैंने इतना blush लगा लिया है अभी. But I love blush. I love blush. कितना भी होना मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती. Okay, because I like the shade of this blush so much, I'm just going to use this as my transition shade. I have no idea what eye look I'm going to create, but let's say we'll do something to complete this look because I don't have any new eye product to test as such for this video, but I just want to make the whole look complete. So let's do our eyes. I'm taking this berry color from this Makeup Revolution palette, and I want to use this as my eyeliner. I'm using the same berry shade, but I'm not taking much color because I just want little bit of color on my lips. So I'm just hardly taking any color in this brush and dusting it off. So I'm just taking my highlighter and putting it on my eyelids. Looking good. I'm just going to take my Essence mascara and coat my eyelashes quickly. I'm using the same highlighter on my face as well. For lipstick, I do have a new shade from Smashbox Always on liquid lipstick, and the shade name I don't remember. All I remember is the dark pink color. Yeah, the name is Big Spender and it is such a beautiful pink color. You'll see when I'll apply. Look at this. It turned out to be so beautiful. With my sister's wedding coming, I think I'll be using this shade a lot more because this is so festive. Just imagine super bronzed face with this lipstick on. It will look so beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I tried this lipstick. I think just because I keep using nude lipsticks a lot, I think I'll be missing out on a lot of beautiful bold or bright lip shades. Also, because I did not have a matching lip liner with this lipstick, I lined my lips with the same lipstick. Lining your lips with liquid lipsticks becomes so easy, and I do this a lot of times because a lot of time you don't have a matching lip liner. I literally have a lot of lipsticks. So yeah, I have just dropped a makeup trick for you as well. Okay, so I got these false lashes from Swiss Beauty in the variant Posh, and they are stunning. They are so beautiful. I have the older one which I have used for at least 4 or 5 times, and see, they are still in such good condition, and it just retails for 99 rupees, and I think I picked up for 70 rupees this time. Lashes are on, and this is how the look has turned out. I'm so glad that makeup looks so beautiful. Let me just look at this. And all the new products that I used, everything was just on point. Everything was so good. The Smashbox foundation, the blush, bronzer, and of course this lips. Oh my god, it was so good. And how can I forget the concealer? NYX concealer was also so good, super lightweight and high coverage. And yeah, let me know in the comment section which was your favorite among all the products that we tried in this video. Before you leave, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.